Okay, when you first get into Skyciv, after having used your SRV USD Google account to log in, you should be somewhere here, or you might have to choose Truss Frame Simplified 2D Analysis for Students. Yeah, you'll click there. That'll take you to here. And now we work on the lower left here, and we start to define the nodes and the members and the support. So let's click on nodes first. And so what we do here is we have node 1, and we have to put its x and y coordinate system. So I always put that one at the origin. So I'm going to apply. So 0, 0 there. So there's node 1. And then my bridge, node 2 is going to have on the far right, it's going to have something over like a distance of 3 units over like that. And now for node 3, I'm going to go over 1 unit and up 2, maybe. So I end up with a truss like this. These are the nodes, the corners. So let's go back and now define the members. So member number 1 is going to go from, let's see, member 1 will go from 1 to 2. So node A will be 1, and node B will be 2, and so I'm going to give this a name in my folder here. This is going to be second simplest truss. I've already done one that's a little simpler. Okay, and now if I hit apply, so that's going from 1 to 2. If I hit apply, it moves on to number 2 here, and I want that to go from 1 to 3. So node A is 1, 2, 3, apply. And finally, I want to go from 2 to 3. So node A is 2.3. Oops, that's the y coordinate. Nope, 3. Yeah, 2 to 3, apply. And there's my truss. Okay. Now we need to come back and decide on the supports. So the support at here is going to be a 1. So at node 1 here, I'm going to have that guy apply. So it's a pin support. And then over here at 2, I'm going to have a roller, which is right here. And so node 2 is right here, and I can apply it. So I've got my fully defined truss with my supports, everything else. And now I can add a point load. So at node 3 up here, at node 3, I'm going to have something pointing straight down at minus 200 kilonewtons. So I apply that, and there it is right there, and I think that's all I need at this point. So let's go back. I don't have any moments. I want to look at our distributed loads. So now I've got a green check mark here up at model, so I'm going to go to solve. It's going to take a second here. It's got it done. And now I have all these options. Now most of them are locked out because this is a paid service, but I can look at the two we're most interested in, which is reaction forces and the axial forces, internal forces in the members. So let's go to reactions. So 133 and 66. Okay, so what you can do there, and I think I'm going to grab it and just grab the results there, and I can just dump them into this is what I was originally going to make it look like. Why is this not working? New slide, change that, and then finally paste. So there it is. So that shows the reactions. Now let's go, and instead of the reactions, also we see them up here. Proportional arrows, what does that do? It makes them a little different. That might be kind of useful. Let's do that too. We can always remove a lot of these slides if they're not that useful, but I'm just kind of going for all of them. Huh. New slide. There it is. Now let's go to axial. And there it is. Whoops. So that's what we want. Okay, so you can see there's some moving around you can do there. I didn't really want to do that. I'm trying to get it perpendicular to me, so let's go back to reactions and then go back to axial and see if that'll do the... No, it doesn't. There's a normal graph. Okay, this shouldn't be that difficult. Just click it there. Okay. Did it again. So clearly I don't know what pan is. It doesn't matter. So let's take a screenshot there, and we will do one of these. And again, I think there was another way we could have presented that with the reaction forces. There we go. Maybe that one's the best one. So I think what I'll do is just grab that whole thing here. Whoops. And that is the answer there that I think we want. Nice and big. We have the tension or compression axial forces. We have the here. What we don't see is the force coming down here. Can I get that to show up? View of all reactions, simple. No. Okay. Well, let's do this one. This is a little different way of looking at it, where what does that represent? It represents a different way to look at it. Okay, so that is the way to use Skyciv, skyciv.com, log in, and go to the truss frame 2D analysis, and you can have a lot of fun there once you get the hang of it. Thanks for watching.